Prosecutors reiterating what police have said from the get-go, that while those officers in Louisville, Kentucky had a no-knock warrant, they did identify themselves before entering Breonna Taylor's apartment. Well, since that shooting, no-knock warrants have been banned in Louisville.
That is not the case here in Arizona, where they are still legal and they are still used. Brittany Thomason has more.
No-knock warrants are definitely an exception rather than the rule. And we'd like to think that police reserve such a request for situations where there's a real danger to their safety. It's not something that a judge should be giving out like candy every day.
Usually when officers have a search warrant and they get to your door, they have to knock and say, "Police, search warrant," before they go inside. But in some cases, they can get permission from a judge to bypass that. To get a no-knock warrant, officers would give a judge an affidavit explaining why there would be danger if they knocked and announced who they were.
In other words, Judge, if we give notice to the occupants that we are there, evidence could be destroyed or our lives could be in danger.
Back in June, a U.S. Senator introduced a bill that would ban no-knock warrants for federal law enforcement. It's currently in committee.
No-knock warrants are designed to protect police. And the reality is there hasn't been a gross abuse shown here in Arizona. So our legislature, in all likelihood, would be very reluctant to make any changes to the law because that would put officers at greater risk.
Brittany Thomason, Arizona's Family.